Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are safe. This is your Geography of Standard 7. Tell me what you see in this picture. Yes, this is the picture of summer, spring, autumn and winter season. First of all, tell me which season is this? Yes, rainy season. You may have a question, how season occur? Let's see in this lesson. First of all, we will recall our previous knowledge. Some questions are given in your book. Let's see those questions. First is, how do day and night occur on the earth? The answer is, day and night occur on the earth due to the axial rotation of the earth. Next question is, what term is used to describe the earth's revolution around the sun? Revolution is the term used for movement or motion of earth around the sun, and one revolution is equal to 1 year. How long does the earth take to do so? It means how long does the earth take for one revolution? The answer is, for one revolution, earth takes time period of 1 year, that is 365 days. In which hemisphere is our country located? Our country is India, and India is located in northern hemisphere. Last question is, why don't the sun's rays fall perpendicular at all the places on the earth? And the answer is, earth is tilted at the angle of 23.5 degree, therefore sun's rays don't fall perpendicular at all the places. And there is another reason for this question, that is the curvature of earth. Earth is circular. Curvature means what? Earth is circular. So this is the reason. Due to this, rays doesn't fall perpendicular at all the places on the earth. Now, can you tell? First of all, one assignment is given to you to keep the record of duration of daytime and night time from 19th June to 28th of the June. Here, one table is provided to you and you have to enter the time of sunrise, time of sunset, duration of day and duration of the night. And also you have to give the information about whether you have collected this information by direct observation or using calendars, newspaper or the internet. By using collected information or data, you have to answer some questions asked in your book. See here, among the records in the table, which is the longest day? So you have to find out the which day has long time duration in your collected data. Next question is, what difference do you notice in the duration of nights day by day? So you have to answer whether the duration of time is increasing or the duration of the night time is decreasing. Also you have to find out the reason behind the increasing duration of night or decreasing duration of night time. How did you find out duration of night? There are the various methods of measuring duration of day or night. For example, to measure the duration of night, you have to measure the time from sunset to the next sunrise, or subtracting daytime from 24 hours are the methods of measuring duration of night. Which two dates had days and nights of the same duration? Again, by using this data, you have to find out which two dates had day and nights of the same duration, that is of 12 hours. Day of 12 hours and night of the 12 hours. With the help of the table, you saw how the duration of the day and the night changes. Do you think such a change occurs everywhere on the earth? Yes, every day the duration of day and night changes. Everywhere this phenomena occurs. Use the given format to record the duration of daytime from 19th to 28th of every month from September to December. See the table, and in this table you have to record the information about the time of sunrise, time of sunset, and the duration of the day and duration of the night. The duration of the day is the time from sunrise to sunset, and the duration of the night is the time from sunset to the next sunrise. In the last column you have to give the information about source of information, whether you have collected this information from direct observation or newspaper or calendar or internet. You have to mention it in the last column. You must have noticed the change in the duration of daytime and the night time from 19th June to 28th June. For one rotation, Earth takes 24 hours around itself. It rotates from west to east. The Earth's rotation has enabled us to measure time in the terms of days. During a single day, we experience different stages like sunrise, afternoon, and sunset, as well as daytime and nighttime. To understand the changes in the locations of sunrise and sunset on the horizon, let us carry out the activity given on the next page. For this activity, we require a torch, a light, pencil or a candle, paper or wooden block. Let us carry out this activity. Paste a large white paper on one side of the table. Place a torch in front of the table in such a way that it wouldn't move. Stand a rod or a candle between the white paper and the torch. Direct the light beam of the torch in such a way that the shadow of the rod candle falls on the paper. Mark the position of the shadow on the paper. Move the table along with the rod, candle or pencil from one side to the other slowly. Observe and mark the position of the shadow that falls on the paper. Note the change in the location of the shadow. From this activity, you will realize that as the position of the table changes, the position of the shadow also changes. If the position of the sunrise and sunset on the horizon are observed for the whole year, you will realize that they keep on changing. Let's try to understand the reason behind this with the help of the another activity. You have to carry out that activity at your home. In that activity, you have to take a thick stick about 1.5 to 1.7 meter long. Keep distance. Fix the stick near a wall that receives sunlight at the time. After the observation, mark the position of the shadow for that date. If the position of the shadow changes, measure and note the distance between the earlier and the changed position. During the period of this activity, observe the place of sunrise and the sunset on the horizon as well. Study the duration of daytime and nighttime on the basis of observations from the table for the month of September. What was the direction of the shadow of the stick in the month of September? On which day was the duration of the day and night the same? In this session, we will stop here.